Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I'm very excited to have every single one of you here. Today I'm here to share a rather large but hopefully quick Costco haul. We had not been to Costco for a really long time, so we really needed to restock on a lot of stuff. I will have the total for this entire haul at the end of the video, so if you're interested in that, make sure you watch until the end. I am going to give point values for the WW Weight Watchers plan. If you would like any other nutritional information, just let me know down below and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. All right, let's go ahead and get started. First things first, we did need some more ground turkey. I got 4 pounds of the Butterball ground turkey. This is 4 ounces for 5 points. It is the 93% lean ground turkey. Next, I needed some more avocado mash. This is the Good Foods avocado mash. They come in individual tubs. Let me see how many. There's 16 in here and each one is worth 2 points. I like to use that for my avocado toast. Sometimes I'll throw it on top of a salad, or sometimes I'll just put some seasoning on top of it and eat it right out of the dish with a spoon. It just depends what kind of mood I'm in. I was feeling like some chicken salad this week, so I picked up a package of the chicken chunks. This is actually pretty good, thick and juicy. It's not dried out, and it's 0 points. We needed more Canadian bacon. This is the Jones Canadian bacon, and it is 3 slices for 1 point. I'll eat this by itself for a snack. I'll use it as a side for breakfast. I also like to make egg sandwiches and put a slice of this on it. It's really good. Honestly, I think it might be good on top of my avocado toast too. Just, yeah. Yes. Next, I got some of the pretzel bites. I have never seen these at Costco before. They're the balls that taste like pretzels. They have some that are filled with cheese. These are not. You can have 6 of these things for 5 points. I love them for a snack. They are very filling. I like to dip them in mustard. Sometimes I'll heat them up in the microwave a little bit so they're just a little bit softer. Very good. Very yummy. For you guys that have been watching me for a while, you know I love my pickles, especially these Famous Dave's spicy pickle chips. These, if you're going to put these on a sandwich, you're going to have to add about 1 point to your sandwich because they do have sugar in them because of the sweetness. So it is about 3.5 chips for 1 point. But they are the bigger chips. So yeah. Or you could just grab a few and eat them for a snack too. They're really good. Stocked up on some lunch meat. I've got the Hillshire Farms oven roasted turkey breast, honey ham, and smoked turkey breast. Comes in the multi-pack here. I haven't bought this one before, but I've bought the individual ones before. Oh, here's the back of them. The smoked turkey breast is 4 slices for 1 point. Honey ham is 3 slices for 2 points. And then the oven roasted turkey breast doesn't come in slices. I mean, it's sliced, but the calculations for the points didn't say how many slices. So, yeah. Hold on. So, actually here, 4 slices for 1 point. Look at that. Jen figured it out. It was only showing up as ounces. So, but on the back, it breaks it down a little bit more. So, yeah, about 4 slices for 1 point. Ava picked these out, but I might be eating these myself. These are the Parmesan Cheese Crisp. They're called Wisp. They're actually really, really good. Let me show you what they look like. They're about the size of a quarter, maybe just a little bit bigger. And that's what they look like. They're very crunchy. They've got a lot of flavor. You can have 19 of those for 6 points. Felt like doing some nachos this week, so I've got some of the white queso. I love this queso from Costco. It is so good. And you can have 2 tablespoons for 3 points. To go with that, I've got some of the tortilla chips. This is the Kirkland's brand. These are great big huge triangles. You can have 11 of them for 5 points. I don't typically eat these just because there's a more point-friendly version out there that I like to get. I like to get the Tostitos little bite-sized rounds, and you can have 24 of those for, I want to say 2 or 3 points. Not quite sure. Don't quote me on that, but it's definitely more bang for your bite on that one. Ava wanted some yogurt, so we've got her these Chobani flips. She loves these. This was a great deal. Here you go. Hopefully you can see. I don't know point values on these because I don't eat them, and it didn't have the individual barcodes to scan, but we've got 4 of the s'mores, 4 of the cookies and cream, 4 strawberry cheesecake, and then 4 key lime crumble. And these are the ones that have the yogurt on one side and then toppings on the other, and you flip the toppings on top and stir up the yogurt. So, and they are good. I've had them before when I wasn't tracking, and yeah, they are good. A staple in our house, guys, for the kids, the Tostinos pizza rolls. These are the pepperoni. You can have 6 of these for 8 points. I don't typically eat these. I would rather spend my points elsewhere, but these are a big hit with the kiddos. Got myself 2 packages of the Taylor Farm Green Goddess chopped salad kits. This is 1 cup for 6 points. The kit has, let's see, romaine lettuce, green and red cabbage, shredded broccoli, vegan butter garlic crouton crumbles, crisp lentils, and carrot with plant-based Green Goddess dressing. I don't know if you guys have had Green Goddess dressing before, but it is really good. So very happy to have this. I like to eat that as a side for my lunches at work. I'll just make it up and put it in a big gallon-sized Ziploc bag, which you guys will see if you haven't already in one of my day in life, so stay tuned for that. But I like to do that, and then when it's time for lunch, I'll just pull a handful out and put it in a bowl, or sometimes I'll add grilled chicken to it and just make it a meal. So yeah, there's that. Ava picked out some more chips. I don't know point values on these. I don't eat them, but 54 snack size bags of chips for the kids. Imagine that. We needed more chicken broth, so we picked up a case of this organic chicken stock, 0 points. I'm going to show you some non-food items because I'm going to tell you the total for the entire trip, and it's going to include the non-food products. We needed a great big huge thing of AA or AAA batteries and a big thing of AA batteries. Never have too many, and they're a great price at Costco. We've got our kitchen bags. Love getting the kitchen. I love a lot of Kirkland brands household product things. Kitchen bags are very thick, very sturdy, and they're a great price. They last forever. They're 13-gallon bags. You get 200 bags, and I think it's for $17, so it's a pretty good deal. Next, I got some of my Spindrift. This is a 30-pack, and I believe it was $17 too. This is my sparkling water. I've got grapefruit, lime, and lemon. I love this. Love it, love it, love it. It's got, I believe, it's got fresh fruit juice in it, like real actual fruit juice in it, mixed in with the sparkling water, and it's just a great flavor. Great flavor. I got a bag of the frozen fire roasted mixed vegetables. I'm going to be using these for meal prep. This one has Brussels sprouts, mushrooms, red and yellow bell peppers, red onions, tossed in extra virgin olive oil, Himalayan pink salt, and cracked black peppercorns. Yum, 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 yum. Got some more of my collagen peptides. I haven't had this for a while. I like to take this because it helps my hair and my nails. My nails grow fantastic when I'm taking this, and my hair is always so shiny and smooth, which it's just been a dull mess lately. Really excited to have these back. I usually put 2 scoops in my coffee every morning and call it a day. Fruits and vegetables. Steve got these. This is a great big huge bag of asparagus, 0 points. We've got 2 bunches of bananas. I love buying my bananas from Costco. They're always yellow, and look how many you get. And the prices are great. Fantastic prices for fruits and vegetables at Costco. Got a bag of the mini sweet peppers for 0 points. I like to do these for snacks. Got a bag of my little snacking cucumbers. Aren't these cute, guys? And these are so easy. You just toss them in a baggie, and when you're ready to eat them, just cut off the ends and crunch away. They're fantastic. I've got a big bag of red, yellow, and orange peppers. I'm going to be cutting these up and frying them up with some onion and some olive oil for meal prep this week. Got some little mandarin oranges. These actually look really good. I don't see any green on these at all. You guys know, if you've been watching me at all, I'm really picky about my little oranges. I hate it when they have green because they don't taste right. And these look great. Got a great big huge bag of green pears. And I can already feel that these are already ripe. They're nice and soft, but not too soft. Then we've got a great big huge container of the black seedless grapes. These, I believe, were $7.99, which I feel like for a great big huge thing of grapes is a really good price. And then we got a great big huge thing of bath tissue. 30 rolls. I want to say it's $17.99, but that price may have gone up. I'm not quite sure. And I think that is everything that we got. Like, it's not enough. Like I said, if you have any questions about anything that I got, any of the macros, any other nutritional information, ingredients, just message me. I'll get back with you. Now, are y'all ready for the grand total? I did not do as good budget-wise as I did last week. I'll tell you that right now. For everything that I got today, it was $376.30 for 31 items. Like I said, we had to restock on pretty much everything because we have not been to Costco in ages. So we anticipated we'd be spending at least that much, if not more. So we're not disappointed. It is what it is, but it was time for us to get back on track with our food. All right, guys, that is everything that I got today. If you haven't already, if you'd give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, guys, I'd love to have you. All you have to do is hit that little picture of me down in the corner and we'll be instant family. And until next time, guys, keep smiling.